Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my nighttime routine. I just got off of work. I had a really long shift, I'm not gonna lie. I'm on my period and I'm kind of cranky. It's okay because I got some goodies from Ulta that I'm gonna do for my skincare tonight. First of all, I wanna show you guys the outfit I wore to work today. I'm a barista, by the way. I get to wear whatever I want, so. This dress that I thrifted, you probably saw this in my California video. I wore this in that video as well. Cross necklace situation. Super cute. I put my hair in some pigtails and my black Converse. I'm in my boyfriend's home at the moment. He is having me stay the night tonight. My nighttime routine will be taking place in his home today.
Sounds like a mistress on a rainy night. Hold your throne down together and see the light that goes away.
Love you.
Love you.
I'm a real girl. I'm real. I feel like I'm having a smoke sesh with you guys.
Leave a space inside my soul. It just holds me down by the water. They say look like a believer.
Whenever I am wearing makeup that day, I like to do a double cleanse. I start with the Vanicream Gentle Foaming Cleanser just to get all that makeup off, and I follow up with the Glossier Cleanser Concentrate for a deeper clean. After cleansing, I'm following up with this multivitamin Dermalogica stressful week, so I just wanted to pamper myself a little bit tonight. 5 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed it off so I could do these hyaluronic acid eye patches. I feel like my eyes have been puffy lately from lack of sleep, so I went ahead and picked these up from Ulta. I'm following up with the Cerave Resurfacing Retinol Serum for a chemical exfoliant, and then my favorite Ultra Repair Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. I had a few little pimples pop up from my period, so I'm using these little fun pimple stickers to treat them overnight.
I love this. I feel like I'm in. Have you ever seen the movie? Fuck, what's it called? God. Oh, Ratatouille.